Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives FII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Geopolitical tensions in the neighboring country continue to raise concerns in the market. Steady buying by the FIIs and easing trade tensions between the US and China following reports that China may exempt certain US goods from tariffs could lend support to the domestic equities. Meanwhile, market volatility is on the rise, so traders remain cautious and take a wait-and-watch approach. To start with our first segment for Monday, 28 April 2025, Nifty index opened positive, but after touching 24,350 marks, it failed to hold at higher zones and slipped lower by more than 500 points from its intraday high due to geopolitical tensions. It took a breather near 23,850 levels and managed to close just above the psychological 24K marks. It formed a bearish candle with longer lower shadow on the daily frame but a bullish candle with longer upper shadow on the weekly frame. This indicates a tug-of-war between the bulls and bears at different time frames and some profit taking after the sharp spurt of 2,600 points in the last 3 weeks. India VIX was up by around 5.5% to 17.16 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.87. Option data suggests a broader range in between 23,500 to 24,500 levels, while immediate range is in between 23,600 to 24,300 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,952 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 3,540 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 37.6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty manages to hold 23,850 zones, then support-based buying interest could emerge towards 24,250 and 24,350 levels, while a hold below 23,850 could change the short-term trend for a further profit-booking decline towards 23,500 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,250 for a bounce towards 55,000 and 55,250. While on the downside, support can be seen at 54,250, then 54,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Mphasis, Persistent, Coforge, MFSL, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Infosys, KPIT Tech, Godrej Consumer, and Grasim, while some weakness could be seen in SBI Cards, IGL, Hindustan Copper, Granules, and ACC. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.